Hey kids, welcome to Bubbly Bugs! Like and subscribe.
Cabbage white. This is a cabbage white. Glasswing butterfly. This is a glasswing butterfly. Common buckeye. This is a common buckeye. Monarch butterfly. This is a monarch butterfly. Cabbage white. This is a cabbage white. Painted lady. This is a painted lady. Red admiral. This is a red admiral. Peacock butterfly. This is a peacock butterfly. Swallowtail butterfly. This is a swallowtail butterfly. Ant. This is an ant. Bee. This is a bee. Butterfly. This is a butterfly. Beetle. This is a beetle. Caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. Cabbage white. This is a cabbage white. Dragonfly. This is a dragonfly. Firefly. This is a firefly. Grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. Fly. This is a fly. Ladybug. This is a ladybug. Monarch butterfly. This is a monarch butterfly. Mosquito. This is a mosquito. Moth. This is a moth. Cabbage white. This is a cabbage white. Stick insect. This is a stick insect. Termite. This is a termite. Wasp. This is a wasp.